Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about simplification. So let's start with this chapter 5, that is simplification. Question arises, what is simplification? Simplification means it is the act or process of making something simpler. Means suppose that you have to simplify any question. So simplify means making any problem or expression easily understandable and solvable. To solve any question of simplify, first you have to know about the rule of BODMAS. To solve simplification, you have to know about the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS is an abbreviation in which B means bracket. In bracket, you will learn about three types of brackets, in which if in any question these three brackets will come, so first of all you will solve this small bracket. After that you will solve this curly bracket, and then you will solve this big bracket, or we can say it bar bracket. So whatever numberings are given here, according to this numbering we will solve the brackets. The order of brackets will be same as the numbering it is given here. Next is O, in which this O means off. This off simply means multiply. So wherever off it, suppose that if it is given 2 of 3, it means 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. Next is D. D means division. Next is M. M means here multiplication. And the next one is A. It means addition. And the other and the last is S, which means subtraction. So these all are the abbreviations of this BODMAS. Now let us solve the question and understand this BODMAS rule. Simplify these questions. Here are some questions given. Let us solve these questions one by one. First question is 18 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 3. So first of all, to solve any question, we will write that question in solution. In first step, we will write this question again. And one more thing, in every step you can see this equals to is given. So in every step you will write this equal to. So the first step we will write this question again. In second step we will apply the rule of BODMAS as we have discussed earlier. The rule of BODMAS. So according to BODMAS, first B is given, that means bracket, but in this question you can see there is no bracket, so we will not apply this B. Next is O, that means off, and you can see in this question off is not given, so we will not apply this off. The next one is D, division. So in this question you can see that division is given here between 6 and 2. So we will first, according to this rule of BODMAS, we will solve this division. So in next step we will solve this division. 6 divided by 2. When you will divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. So in next step you will write 18 plus 3. In the place of 6 divided by 2, what we will write? We will write the answer 3. And then after what it is left? Minus 3. We will as such write 18 plus 3 minus 3. Now division we have applied. After that M is given. But in this question no multiply is given, so we will not apply this M. Next is A, that means addition. So here you can see addition is given between 18 and 3. So when you will add 18 plus 3, you will get 21, and after that minus 3 is written. So we will write minus 3 in the next step. After this addition, S is given. That means subtraction. We can see here at last we left with subtraction sign, 21 minus 3, and that is 18. So answer of this simplification is 18. Means we have solved this question according to the BODMAS rule. Next question number is 2. 17 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 19. So let us solve this question according to the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, we will solve this question. So first one is B, that means bracket. As bracket is not given, so we will not apply this bracket. After that O, which means off. Again in this question off is not given, we will not apply this off. Then after D means division. In this question division sign is not given, it means we will not apply this division. Next is M, means multiplication. So in this question you can see multiplication where is given, 3 multiplied by 2. So in the first step we will write the question as such. In the second step we will solve this multiplication. So in second step we will write 17 plus the answer whatever come after multiplication, 3 multiplied by 2, which will come 6. We will write in the place of 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. And then after minus 19. In the second step we have solved the multiplication. After that addition sign, we will solve the addition. So addition is given between 17 plus 6. So the answer will come 23. So in the next step we will write in the place of 17 plus 6, that is 23, and after that whatever left, that is minus 19, we will write minus 19. At last that is S, which means subtraction. So at last subtraction is left over here, 23 minus 19, and the answer will be 4. So easily we can say the according to this BODMAS rule we can solve any simplification. Next is question number 3. In question number 3, question is 16 minus big bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 divided by small bracket 4 minus 2 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and big bracket closed. So in the first step we will write the question as such. In the second step, according to the BODMAS rule, we will solve the first of all bracket. And in bracket I have told you 3 types of bracket is given, that is a small bracket first, then second one is curly bracket, and then after second one is curly bracket, and then after big bracket. So in this question all the 3 types of brackets are given. So first of all we will solve the small bracket. In a small bracket you can say see here 4 minus 2 is given. So we will solve this small bracket, that is 4 minus 2 first. When you will subtract 4 minus 2 you will get 2. So in the second step you will write 16 minus same as 11 minus curly bracket 8 divided by, in the place of 4 minus 2 the answer will come 2. So we will remove the small bracket, which we can say parenthesis also. So we will remove this parenthesis or small bracket. So then in the next step we can see this will come. After small bracket we will solve the curly bracket. So in curly bracket you can see it is given 8 divided by 2. So in the next step the other things will be as such, but in the place of this 8 divided by 2 we will write the answer 4 and we will remove that curly bracket. So the second next step will be this: 16 minus big bracket 11 minus 4. Now only big bracket left, so we will solve this big bracket, and big bracket 11 minus 4 is given. The answer will come 7. So then in the next step will be 16 minus, we will remove this big bracket after solving this question 11 minus 4, that will come 7. And then according to BODMAS rule, only s is left, only subtraction. So we will solve it. 16 minus 7, the answer will come 9. So you can see easily we have solved this question according to this BODMAS rule. This big question we have easily solved in very simpler way. Next one is fourth question, that is big bracket 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 big bracket closed plus small bracket 18 minus 6 divided by 4. To solve this question, first of all, we will write the question as such in the first step. In the second step, we will solve according to the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, we will get, according to the BODMAS rule, first we will solve the bracket. Here first we will solve the small bracket. So in a small bracket, we can see here small bracket is given 18 minus 6. So in the second step, everything will be as such same up to here, but at the place of 18 minus 6 we will write 12 and we will remove the parenthesis. The next one left divided by 4 we will write as such. The third step, now we will solve again the bracket in which big bracket only given. So in this big bracket you can see 3 types of operations are given: minus, divide and off. But according to the rule of BODMAS, we solve first off. So we will solve this off firstly. To solve this off, I have told you off means multiply. So 3 of 2 means 6. 3 of 2 means 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So in the next step we will write as a 72 minus 12 divided by, in the place of this 3 of 2 we will write 6. Then bracket close plus whatever left 12 divided by 4 we will write as such. In the next step, because till now bracket is not removed, so again we have to solve this bracket. In the bracket now 2 operations left, that is division and subtraction. So according to the BODMAS rule, D comes first, means division. So first we will do division, that is 12 divided by 6. Answer will come 2. So in the next step we will write 72 minus, in the place of 12 divided by 6 we will write 2. 72 minus 2 plus 12 divided by 4. So the next step will come like this. Now in the big bracket only now minus is left, so we will solve 72 minus 2. The answer will come 70, and now we will remove the big bracket in the next step, and the plus 12 divided by 4 we will write as such. Now only 2 operations left, plus and divide. So according to BODMAS, D comes first, so we will solve this division first. 12 divided by 4, it means the next step will be 70 plus, the answer will come 3. After dividing 12 by 4, the answer will come 3. We will write 3 in the place of these 2. Next only 70 plus 3 left. Now we will do addition. 70 plus 3, that is 73. So the answer of this big question we have simplified, and the answer came 73. So students, you have seen that we have solved this much big question very simpler way, very easier way according to that BODMAS rule. Now the next question number is 5. Question is 36 minus big bracket 18 minus curly bracket 14 minus small bracket 15 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and now big bracket closed. This is the question. Now we have to solve this. First, according to the BODMAS rule, we will solve the bracket. So three types of bracket we have learned. One is a small bracket, next is curly bracket, and then that last one is big bracket. So we will solve firstly small bracket. In a small bracket you can see three types of operations given. First one is minus, second is division, and third is multiplication. But in brackets also we will solve these operations according to the BODMAS rule only. So in the BODMAS rule, first of all, between these three operations first division comes. So we will solve firstly division. Division is given between 4 and 2. So first of all, in first step you will write this question first. We will do from the next step. So in the next step you will write as such 36 minus big bracket, then 18 minus curly bracket 14 minus small bracket 15 minus, see, 4 divided by 2. When you will divide 4 by 2, the answer will come 2. So you will write 2 in the place of 4 divided by 2. Then multiply, and then after 2, and then all the brackets you will close. In the next step we will perform multiplication. So in the next step you will write 36 minus big bracket 18 minus curly bracket 14 minus small bracket 15 minus, then 2 multiplied by 2 is here, then we will write 4, small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and then big bracket closed. So student, you can see here that when we are solving the small bracket, we are writing the others thing as such. In the third step again we will write up to here all the things, but in the small bracket only subtraction is left, 15 minus 4. So up to here 14 minus up to here, all the step will be same, but in the place of 15 minus 4 we will write 11 and we will remove the small bracket. So in the place of 15 minus 4, what will come? 11 will come here. So the third step will be as such up to here, 36 minus 18 minus curly bracket 14 and then minus 11. Then we will remove the small bracket, only curly bracket left, and then big bracket. Next step, 36 minus 18 minus curly bracket 14 minus 11. So after small bracket we will solve the curly bracket. In this curly bracket 14 minus 11 is given, so we will solve 14 minus 11. The answer will come 36 minus big bracket 18 minus, when you will subtract 14 minus 11, the answer will come 3, and we will remove the curly bracket, only big bracket left. So in the next step what you will solve? You will solve the big bracket, that is 36 minus, and in the big bracket 18 minus 3 is given, the answer will come 15, and we will remove the square bracket, or we can say big bracket. Now only subtraction is left, So we will subtract 36 minus 15 and the answer will come 21. So this question we have solved here only. The answer came 21. You can solve in your copy accordingly by applying the BODMAS rule. Here is one assignment for you all. These 4 questions are given to you according to the BODMAS rule. Solve these questions. I hope you all understood that BODMAS rule. So now you can easily solve these questions. Thank you all of you.